Hannah from Oscha, and I'm going to show you how to do a safe and easy back carry with our Nook Encompass. Now, we recommend that you start back carries once your baby has full head control, and when you're starting out we always recommend to do the first back carries really close to a soft surface, so it might be a chair, a sofa or a bed. And even better still, have somebody with you just to give you that little bit extra support and encouragement for your first ever back carry. However, if you are on your own, don't worry at all. This video will hopefully show you the best and easiest way to get your baby onto your back in our carrier. I would first of all organise your width. So if you're looking for instructions on how to do that, we've got another video that we'll link to just now. But my baby is, as I say, my toddler, sorry, is about 2 years. So I've just knotted the width together there. Just I haven't actually pulled it in at either side, but I've just kind of knotted the ties away just out of neatness. So what we're going to do is I'm going to start off as though I'm doing a front carry. So I'm going to take my carrier in my both hands and tilt the waistband over towards myself. Position it nice and high on my waist and buckle it in. So we've got the lovely Stratalinea waistband going all the way around there, which is going to give me lots of lovely support and comfort around my middle. And then what we're going to do is we're going to unclip the chest clip here. So I'm going to take that off just now, and we have got each side strap clipped in, and I'm going to just leave about a handful on each side for that. I want to make sure that she's nice and knee to knee on each side. And then we're going to bring up the body panel at the back, so it's just at the kind of nape of her neck. Now, you could have her arms out, especially I know a lot of toddlers prefer to have their arms out for back carry, so you could do that no problem. But for the purpose of the video, I'm going to bring her arms in just because it's going to be a little bit neater to work with. So I'm going to bring one strap over one shoulder, still supporting her all the time. One strap over the other shoulder, and there we go. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one hand and bring it up onto the shoulder strap and slowly glide that back towards my shoulder. And in the other hand, I'm not going to take this hand off, I'm going to slide it over, still supporting her and holding that with the other hand. And now she's fully supported in the carrier and I've got tension in both hands, and I'm going to slide that all the way up, not taking either hand off, and we're going to get up to the chest clip and I'm going to clip that in. So holding the tension all the time, making sure that you have got that tension, and then I moved my other hand, as soon as I could I moved it back under her bottom, and then I'm going to let go of that one as I'm still supporting her. So this is where we're going to change it into a back carry. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one hand, I'm going to take this one, and I'm going to come in underneath here next to her. And I'm going to pop that arm out. And this side, I'm going to find that strap and I'm going to put my elbow through and pop it out underneath. So this is what it should look like all the way around. Okay? So now what we're going to do is we're going to scoot her round to my back. We're going to go round to the one that's already got this strap underneath your armpit. So supporting her all the time, I am going to grab hold of my waistband and I'm going to glide her around. So I'm still supporting her with this hand, I'm gliding with that hand, and once I've got as far as I can go, I'm going to bring this hand over, support her, bring this hand up like a front crawl and go all the way in front and support that underneath again. And then I'm going to continue to slide this hand around my waistband. And you can see that strap is coming around the front, so I'm still supporting her underneath. I'm going to take this hand through, and then I'm going to switch hands underneath, and I'm going to bring this one through the top again and over my shoulder. And now I'm still supporting her with this hand, and I'm going to start to tighten. Tighten on one side, tighten on the other side, and I'm going to just make sure that all my straps are in the right place. So I'm going to want to bring that leg strap over the top and down, and you might find it easier to lift her up whilst you pull down, and you want to tighten in diagonal motion back across where that webbing is underneath. So you don't want to tighten forward, you want to tighten back like that. And then I'm just going to bring any extra slack all the way around to the front, and do the same on the other side. And I'm going to just double check that I'm happy with the height of the waistband. So I'm still supporting her a little bit there because it's not quite tightened up yet. Bring that waistband up, tighten that in place, little nook on each side, and there she is. Now you can sort your own comfort. So now that baby is nice and safely and secure on your back, you can figure out where you would like your chest strap to be. So what's great about the Oscha Nook chest strap is that it's made out of Oscha fabric, so it's really nice and soft across your chest, and it means you're not going to get any kind of rubbing from the webbing, and you can also decide where you want to position it. So if you would prefer it to be a little bit higher up or a little bit further down, you can just move it to exactly where you would like it to be. And then just double check all your buckle covers. And if you want to neaten everything up, you can use the handy little ties for neatening up the straps on each side and across the middle as well. Now it's time to take her out. So we're going to just reverse the steps that we used to put her in. So I'm going to support her onto the bottom again with one hand. I'm going to come underneath here and find my buckle, loosen that off. Don't unclip it, just loosen it off each side. So you're lifting it up to loosen. Do the same on the other side. Lifting it up to loosen. Support her. And then we're going to take this elbow and go underneath as we did before. Support her under the bottom. We're going to take this hand. Might actually want to loosen this side off quite a bit more because you're going to want to get your hand in and under here, like so. And then we'll support her again as I take this hand, grab hold of that waistband, swivel it round, arm goes over, there she is. And then all you need to do is take off the top, and then you can clip, or you could go straight ahead and clip these off as right away if you wanted. Clip the top one and clip the bottom one. If you've enjoyed this video today, please do hit the like button and subscribe for lots more tutorials from us at Oscha.